Hi guys, today I thought we'd make a really simple ferment using 2 ingredients, organic cabbage and salt. So grab your cabbage, remove the outer leaves and finely slice your cabbage. I've used a mandolin just to make it quicker and easier. Once your cabbage is all finely sliced, put it in a bowl and then add your salt. Best to use a Himalayan sea salt or a Celtic sea salt, as an iodized salt will discolor your ferment and also it'll make the food lose its crispiness. Then massage your cabbage until you have this briny solution that kind of comes out, and that's what's going to help ferment our food. So once you have all this moisture, grab a jar, fill your jar with your ferment, or in this case the sauerkraut, and then tamper it down. I use a tamper, you can use a wooden spoon. Then use the reserved cabbage leaves, grab a rock as your weight and put it in. And basically we're going to use the rock to keep the sauerkraut pushed down and the moisture on top. Then cover it. I've used a nut milk bag and put it on your bench. Check it every couple of days, and depending on your weather, very soon you'll have a sauerkraut.